Hello. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you've received a GED Ready Test voucher from your instructor or advisor, and you're ready to take a GED practice test. So the first thing you need to do is go to GED.com, and you'll either sign up or you'll just log in if you have an account already. It's free to have an account. You just need to enter in some basic information. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in with my email address and my password and go ahead and log in. And that login will bring me to my homepage. And that homepage is going to show me a few different things. If I'm brand new, you won't see these items here because I haven't taken any tests yet. So it shows me here that I have a couple practice tests ready to use when I'm ready, one for science and one for math. It also shows that I took a social studies practice test and scored well enough to actually move on to the GED test. This is where I could go ahead and schedule that test at a time that worked for me. Those tests are available either online or in person at certain testing centers. To enter in my new GED test voucher, I'm going to click on Study and then choose Practice. And then it shows me my GED Ready practice test. And down here there's a yellow bar that says have a voucher code, redeem now. So I'm going to click on redeem now. And it shows me the 4 different subject areas that the tests are in. So I can choose any of these subjects. Your instructor probably told you which subject they'd like you to test in. I'm going to choose language arts. Continue. Your tests are available in English or Spanish. For me, I'm going to choose English. And then it brings me to my shopping cart for the GED.com website. Shows me that I have chosen Reasoning through Language Arts as my test, that the test will be in English, and it will take as long as 95 minutes. English is the longest of the tests, and that's the maximum amount of time you would be given. This test is going to be available from the day that I purchase it for a few months, so I have some time to take it if I can't do it right now, but I can go ahead and load that voucher and have it ready for me when I have the time. You can see that normally it's $6, and my voucher will make it free to me. So even though it says $6 here, I'm going to proceed to the checkout. I'm going to take a look at those system requirements and accept those. And here you see the payment page. My subtotal is $6, but I'm going to add my voucher code right here, and I'm going to copy and paste it from the email. And I'm going to make sure that if I don't copy and paste it, that I've typed in every single letter and number correctly, or else it's not going to work. So I enter in that voucher code and I hit apply, and it takes a moment, and it shows me that it subtracted $6 from my total and that I now owe $0. And I move on to my next page, and it says I'm almost there. It sort of repeats all the same information, Reasoning through Language Arts, that I've used my voucher, and then it's not going to cost me anything. And I submit my order. Okay, I'm booked. So I have purchased my online practice test, and I can begin that exam right now if I want to click on Begin My Exam. Or if I want to, I can return back to my GED homepage, and on that page you will see that now I have the GED Ready Language Arts test ready to take. So now I have 3 ready for me whenever I have the time to take them. So take those tests when you have time. Make sure you have your computer charged up and that you have the space and internet available to you that you need, and good luck.